So I bought this cooler last summer. We put it on our front porch. We give away cold drinks and snacks for our delivery people and our sanitation drivers. It works amazing. It keeps the drinks nice and cold. Even to our hot temperatures out here in Surprise, Arizona, we get up to 115, 118, sometimes 120 degrees heat. I have it plugged into the wall outlet and it keeps everything nice and cold. I would highly recommend this cooler. It has made it through one whole summer, and we put it out at Christmas time, and this is the second summer, and it's working amazing.
Great fridge slash freezer. It's got a little handle locks. And I had it off, but it did produce some ice on the sides of the wall, so it does definitely reaches cold temperature. 94 is the lowest. And it indicates the temperature of what it's at.